We'll do 10 exercises, 20 seconds each. Do a warm-up by rubbing your palms together. Next, warm up your wrists. Interlace your fingers and gently massage your palms. Exercise number 4. Rotate the wrists in a circular motion. Do it the other way. Exercise number 5. Touch each finger to your thumb and gently press down for a few seconds. Exercise number 6. Put your palms together and gently open and close your fingers as far as you can. Now do it faster. Exercise number 7. Open and close your fingers to make a fist and touch your opposite hand. Exercise number 8. Let's wake up your fingers by gently pulling on each finger one at a time. Exercise number 9. Bend your thumb and put it in the palm of your hand while slowly opening and closing your fingers over it. Exercise number 10. Tap the table, cross your hands, tap the table again. Well done! I will see you next time. Bye!